Nakikita ba niyo akon share screen?
Oo.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. Sige, sige.
Yes, boss.
Yes, nakikita na mo.
Okay. Sige, sige, thank you. So, start na lang tayo na. 8:04. So, good evening guys. Uturong ko na lang, balik ko na lang. Thank you so much for attending this webinar. I hope may malalearn kayo this evening. First of all, ito pala yung PubMat last week pa to, so hindi ko na edit, so sorry for this. So I'll introduce myself first. So ako pala si Moises Orejola. Yung day job ko is a civil engineer, project engineer dito sa Cebu City. At sa gabi, sometimes I trade cryptocurrency. So
Habulin ng aso.
si kuan to, si Irish. Siya to nag-edit ng PubMat, sorry for that. So basically yun, during evening, after work, kung may time ako, I trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, kahit anong cryptocurrency sa Binance. May times nakaka-earn naman, may times na rin loss. So yan naman yung hindi naman araw-araw you're on the winning side. So may times talaga na talo rin. So yun. Yun pa. So basically ito po, this evening is yung overview for this webinar. First is yung trading explain. I think this part, trading explain, is I'll just explain this a bit quicker than last session kasi medyo dito tayo natagalan. So I gusto ko na yung most of the time here sa webinar for this evening is nakafocus doon sa Binance walkthrough, yung trading mismo. Dito, trading explain ang why, who, what, where, when. Next is yung cryptocurrency explain, what is Bitcoin, what is altcoins, and yung crypto exchange walkthrough. So, yung ginagamit ko pong cryptocurrency exchange is Binance, since sa lahat po ng cryptocurrency exchanges, ito po yung pinakamalaking volume when it comes in terms of trading. So basically yung participants po ng trading, so most of the traders sa buong mundo, accessible po yung Binance. So basically mas maraming participants, meaning liquid yung trading nyo. So okay po. Next is disclaimer lang po, this is not a financial advice. So lahat po ng advice na ibibigay ko dito or mga tips, so I'm not responsible for any of your loss kung if you invest or trade sa cryptocurrency. So always do your own research. This first, for others this might be rude, pero basically wag po kayong mag-depend sa source, sa isang tao or sa any source kung ano man yan. Much better po if kayo talaga yung mag-research about any investment assets, unlike cryptocurrency. So yun. So introduction. Cryptocurrency is considered as a digital asset or store of value. So digital asset meaning it is some kind of form of digital cash. So digital cash, sa tingin nyo, ano yung kung naiisip nyo about digital cash? So one example is GCash, Paymaya, Visa, Mastercard. Lahat po ng types na money na parang pwede nyo ma-transfer online, yan po yung digital asset. Pero ano yung kinaibahan ng cryptocurrency? Ang cryptocurrency kasi is some kind of form of decentralized form of transferring money. So ano po yung decentralized form? So sa centralized po is yung GCash, Paymaya, Mastercard, lahat po yan. Kahit po yung Palawan, Cebuana, Western Union, ito po is some kind of a centralized form of transferring money. Basically po yung, let's say gusto ko pong mag-send ng money sa isang tao. So there will be a middleman, some kind of consent, let's say doon sa bangko, before siya i-send sa yung tao na sasendan mo, which is compare dito sa cryptocurrencies. Kumbaga, ikaw gusto mong mag-send ng money sa isang tao, so direct lang talaga yung pag-send ng money. There will be no middleman in comes to cryptocurrency. So dito is one reason bakit ko dinidiscuss about cryptocurrency trading or any kind of investment strategy or form is gusto ko kasi educate about another asset to invest. Kasi yung some kind of investment asset, example is real estate, stocks, bonds, money market. Yung cryptocurrency kasi is some kind of an asset, digital asset. Parang you invest a portion of your savings or investment dito sa cryptocurrency. Kasi if i-invest mo yan sa isang asset like stocks, so let's say mag-all-in ka doon sa stocks, what if yung stocks is biglang nag-dip or nag-crash yung market, so yung investment mo is basically in a loss. So since 100% naman yung in-invest mo, unlike kung i-invest mo like say let's say 20% sa real estate, 30% sa stocks, 10% sa bonds or some kind, parang ganun, 10% dito sa cryptocurrency. So if ever mag-crash yung isang asset class, let's say yung real estate, just like yung nangyari nung 2008 sa Amerika, um, yung economic crash nila because of the bubble of the housing bubble. So nag-crash yung real estate asset. So basically yung lahat ng price, lahat ng real estate, parang lahat ng bahay doon is parang nag-less yung value niya. So when you allocate percentage of your investment, parang yun po, diversification, para ma-mitigate yung risk of loss. Parang risk management na rin. So, yun. So, rules of investing is don't put all your eggs in one basket. Yun po, wag kayong mag-all-in sa isang asset class. For example, dito sa cryptocurrency, is since sobrang volatile ng price niya, let's say, isang araw, mag-increase siya ng 20%. Sunod na araw babagsak siya mga 30%. So it is parang normal lang yan sa cryptocurrency, unlike sa stocks. So isang araw mga 1%, 2%, tapos bababa mga 1%, 1.5. Sobrang liit lang. Unlike dito sa crypto is sobrang volatile. So yun, never invest more than what you can afford to lose. So kung ano yung pwede mong ma-invest, pwede mo ma-trade na parang afford mo talaga siya, parang considered as a loss na lang, as kung total let's say 10,000 yung i-invest mo. Para sa akin kasi, let's say mag-invest ako ng 10% o 10,000, so para sa akin is parang zero na yun for me, kasi baka biglang bumaba yung price. So at least hindi siya parang emotional para sa akin. Yun po, parang appetite, risk appetite, ano, parang ganun. So yun. So dito last session may nagtanong rin dito about what is an investor or trader. So basically yung investor is more on the long term plan, more on months, years. I think years yung investor, kumbaga parang nag-hold ka lang ng asset. Unlike dito sa trader is parang buy and sell ka talaga, short term or short term. So day trading, kumbaga ngayon bibili ka ng coin or let's say Bitcoin, tapos in a short term, siguro mamaya or bukas or next week ibebenta mo. Kumbaga short term lang. Unlike dito sa investment is you believe na parang lalago talaga yung company, or dito sa crypto is yung coin. You believe na yung project ng isang coin or token is you think is good for the future, yung world use case niya. you think parang it would make the society better. So if you believe on that coin, I think it is good if you're an investor. Or if trader ka, yun po, buy and sell. Parang, although yung buy and sell dito, yung trader is, although small percentage lang yung gains niya, from time to time, um, accumulated, lalaki at lalaki rin. Though same naman sa investor, at least yung investor is more long term. I think depende dito sa profile ng investor or trader based sa nag-invest sa inyo. If let's say ayaw mo ng volatile na market, ayaw mo ng parang biglang baba at tataas yung price, parang ayaw mo na mag anong nga tawag dito parang ayaw mo mag check sa mga price charts araw-araw. I think it's good that you're just investing. Kasi yung trader kasi parang every hour, every day ka magche-check ng mga price chart. So, depende sa iyo if you're stressed enough. Kung stress ka masyado sa mga price action, I think it is good na mag-invest ka lang muna. Kasi yung sa akin kasi at first nung nag-start ako sa cryptocurrency, nag-invest lang ako. Bumili lang ako na parang na-accumulate ng mga Bitcoin, Ethereum. And then once na parang nasanay na ako sa market, sa volatility, doon po nag-start na maging trader. Parang yun po, parang for beginner, it is good that you invest lang muna until parang masanay ka sa market, yung volatility, yung price action, then pwede ka nang mag-trade. Yun. Baka kasi if gusto mo talaga mag-trade tapos you're parang simula ka mo pa lang, baka kang mabigla. So yun po. So trading explain. So trading basically is exchange of goods or services. So kumbaga kung gusto mo ng pagkain, so you trade your money for something, goods or services. So buy and sell. So why trade? So first is for profit, ganansya for the long run. So long term, short term plan, financial stability, sorry, freedom from 9 to 5 jobs. So kung ayaw mo na sa day job mo, so let's say meron ka ng earnings sa trade na you think na it will be enough for you, parang panggasto mo araw-araw. So trading is also good. So next is why trade is compounding. So basically compound interest, sa may alam sa mga economics. So compounding interest, percentage wise, the longer you are in the market, if parang nagko-compound yung interest, kumbaga yung earnings mo. Yan. So hindi ko lang talaga dito papatagalin na yung sa trading explain kasi I want to gusto ko mag walk through diretso sa Binance. So yan. So who can trade? So who can trade? Basically lahat ng may internet access if dito sa cryptocurrency. So kahit individual tayo, groups, if you form into groups, so pwede rin yun. So basically yung groups nakikita ko dito sa Facebook, meron din sa Telegram, sa Discord. Pwede kayong humanap dyan. Marami, sobrang rami. So institutions, kumbaga ito yung mga hedge funds, yung mga, let's say sila Warren Buffett, sino ba dito yung Grayscale, yung hindi nakalimutan ko yung iba. Basta basically yung mga companies na basically yung investment talaga yung source of income nila. So nagsto-store sila lahat ng assets, real estate, stocks. So ngayon is parang recently lang is nag-invest rin sila sa cryptocurrency because they think that Bitcoin is the future. So yun. So, what to trade? So, basically, ito po yung pwedeng ma-trade natin. So, stocks. Ito yung stocks is yung Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Google, Alphabet. Dito naman sa Pilipinas is yung Jollibee, Meralco, Ayala. Uh, Basically, yung mga kilalang company, Ayala Corp. So, ito, next is for Forex. Basically, currency. So, dollar, Philippine peso, Canadian dollars. So, lahat ng I mean, yung currency. So, sorry. Yung commodities naman is yung wheat, ano pa yung iba dito eh. Basically, lahat ng basic necessities natin. So, I think yung tubig rin kasali dito. I'm not sure. Or yung oil, crude oil. So, commodities rin to. So, metals is yung gold, silver, platinum. So, pwede rin siyang i-trade. So, dito naman yung bago is yung cryptocurrency. So, which is yung itatakal natin ngayon. So, when to trade? Kumbaga, kailan ka pwede mag-trade? So, dito sa stocks is basically pwede kang mag-trade. So, business hours. So, dito sa Pilipinas, I think 9:30 in the morning, 9:30 a.m. Tapos, ang katapusan naman is 1 p.m. So, sa Forex is 24 hours during the weekdays. So, Monday to Friday. So, commodities, same rin. 24 hours, 5 days, weekdays. So, metals, 24 hours, 5 days. Pero, unlike dito is, yung cryptocurrency is 24/7, 365 days. So, basically, every hour, every minute, every second, pwede kang mag-trade. Kahit natutulog yung iba, pwede kang mag-trade. So, yun yung kagandahan ng cryptocurrency, hindi natutulog. So far, if you have questions, pwede kang mag-interrupt to question. So, okay lang yun. So, where to trade? So, basically dito is i-discuss ko lang yung cryptocurrency na setting. So, kung saan ka pwede mag-trade ng cryptocurrency. So, anywhere. So, kahit saan. Pwede kang mag peer-to-peer. Yung peer-to-peer, i-discuss ko na lang dito once mag-walkthrough na tayo doon sa Binance. Kasi mas ma-explain doon. So, over the counter, pwede rin. Actually, yung OTC pwede rin doon sa Binance. So, yan yung kagandahan ng Binance kasi marami siyang option to trade cryptocurrency. So, sa mga exchanges, so cryptocurrency exchanges. So, cryptocurrency exchanges, example is yung Binance, yung gamit natin. So, BitMEX, Bybit, Bitrex, and many more. Actually, sobrang rami niyan. Kailangan mo talaga mag-research kung ano yung parang respetado na exchange in terms dito sa cryptocurrency kasi meron kasi mga cryptocurrency exchange na most likely parang hindi siya on the lower rating, parang hindi siya trustworthy. Baka kasi yung money na in-invest doon sa cryptocurrency exchanges, most likely baka itakbo. Kasi dito sa cryptocurrency kasi hindi siya regulated. Di ba sabi ko kanina is decentralized, meaning hindi siya hinahawakan ng central bank or ng government. So basically wala po tong nagre-regulate na any government entity, unlike sa centralized finance. So, yun po. So, yun. Yung cryptocurrency exchange, basically, explain ko lang dito. Medyo natagalan kasi dito last session. So, bibilisan ko lang. So, basically, cryptocurrency, before you learn cryptocurrency, much better kung we learn more about kung ano yung money, basically. So, basically, yung money is a medium of exchange. Kumbaga, ito yung gamit to exchange some form of goods or services. So, yung money, yung function ng money is pwede rin maging unit of account and store of value. So, history of money, basically, dati is gold and silver lang yung pwedeng parang universally accepted choice for money. So before gold and silver, yung dati pa is yung shells, pwede rin barter trade. Let's say gusto mo bumili ng tinapay, yung gagamitin mo pagbili is yung inyong baka or yung kambing. So yun po. So kinatagal-tagal, hindi siya naging efficient. So basically yung mga tao is pumili ng some form of material na pwede nilang exchange instead of yung mga livestock or yung mga wheat or yung mga kung ano yung items. So yung pinili nila is gold and silver. So kinatagal-tagal pa rin. So sa let's say sobrang yaman mo, so kung gusto mong bumili ng isang goods or services, so kailangan mo magdala ng gold and silver personal. So hindi ba yun hassle? So yun po, yung government nag-decide sila nga, what if yung gold and silver is i-convert natin into paper money, kumbaga certificate. So yun po, first back by gold then turn into fiat currency. So parang yung government is meron silang central bank. So yung gold doon nila i-store. So yung mga tao is parang basically yung mga tao na merong gold is ilalagay nila yung gold nila sa central bank. Tapos yung central bank naman or yung government is mag-i-issue ng certificate or paper money. So yun po yung parang origin ng paper money. So I think 1970 or 1907, kalimutan ko, sa US si President Nixon is parang in-stop niya yung standardization ng money nila as backed by gold. Kumbaga parang sinabihin niya yung mga tao na magtiwala na lang kayo sa amin, magpreprint na lang kami ng money, tapos yung money is parang ito yung magiging form of payment nyo, kumbaga tendered issue. So ito yung nangyari sa fiat currency. So wait lang po. Hi guys, medyo marami-rami na rin tayo. So okay lang ba yung discussion so far? Pwede pa.
Okay lang.
Hindi
Yep.
ba mabilis?
Okay lang, Mot. Okay lang.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Okay lang, ya.
Okay. Thank you. So, sige, continue lang tayo pa. Okay. So, yun. So currently, yung current situation natin ngayon is basically yung pera natin is fiat currency. So, ito. Bali ito, yung silver, yung coin, kinatagal-tagal is yung gold tsaka yung silver. Yung seashell, sorry. Tapos naging gold tsaka naging silver. So naging universally or worldwide accepted yung gold. Pero yun nga, kinatagal-tagal, medyo inefficient yung pagdala ng gold if gusto mo bumili, tapos baka ka pa nakawan. So yun, medyo hassle yung magdala ng gold. So yun yung nangyari. Ito po discuss ko dito. Bale ako, let's say, nag-deposit ako ng gold to a bank or government, let's say 1,000. Tapos yung bank naman is parang ilalagay ko doon yung gold nila. Tapos yung gold ko, I mean, tapos mag-issue sila ng certificate or bill amounting to 1,000. Kumbaga, certificate na meron kang 1,000 backed by gold sa kanila. Tapos basically yung certificate nito, is ito na yung pwede mong ma-exchange sa mga tindahan for goods or services. So US dollars at the time was backed by gold. So ito yung tawag nilang gold standard. So yun, due to macroeconomic changes, the US decided to forget about the gold standard and just use paper money as a day-to-day currency. Citizens trusted the government and fiat currency was born. Kumbaga, sinabi lang ng government is trust us. Kumbaga, maniwala kayo sa amin. So siguro yung mga tao noon is no choice. Tingnan niyo sa Joey. Shrugged it. Tapos, yun, dito nang nagsimula yung fiat currency, which is ngayon, yung current situation. So, dito, history of money. So, money today is centralized. Kumbaga, nakalibot lang siya sa central bank, tapos governed by the state, the government. So, lahat ng money is parang nakalibot lang talaga sa central bank. So, tindahan, ikaw, mga schools, presuhan, pati na rin yung mga investor. So, basically, nandito rin talaga lahat sa central bank. So, yun, money today is unlimited. So, yung federal government sa US or dito sa Pilipinas, yung Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is it's up to them kung mag-print sila ng money. So, just like yung nangyari last year sa America, which parang nag bumig namigay sila ng pera sa lahat ng citizens, so yung stimulus check. So, I think it was worth $2,000 every family. So, once mag-print ka ng money, basically yung supply ng money is tataas. So, once supply is rising, basically yung demand depende, pwedeng bumaba, which leads to inflation. Another example for inflation, let's say, is sobrang rami ng pera na supply. Tapos, meron kayong bibilhin, let's say, yung baboy sa Manila. Sa sobrang dami ng pera is yung tao, um, bibili talaga ng baboy since marami silang pera. Tapos, syempre, yung mga suppliers, since limited lang yung stocks nila, yung gagawin nila is parang ipapataas yung price ng pork. Basically, mag-inflate yung price ng pork that leads to inflation. Yun po, parang yun po yung basic concept ng inflation. So, yun, money today is digital. So, digital meaning, yun po, yung Visa, yung GCash, yung PayPal. Ano pa yung iba dyan? Mastercard. Pwede rin yung Cebuana, Palawan, Western Union. Basically, pwede rin mag-trade anywhere in the world. Pero, merong middleman. Merong parang custodian ng pera. So, problems with the centralized money. So, centralized money, people are giving absolute powers to the government and banks that could lead to corruption. So, ito, yung corruption is US government fines Wells Fargo $3 billion for its staggering fake account scandal. Basically, nangyari to, I think last year. Parang, I think yung nangyari dito is gumawa sila ng mga yung fake account. Kumbaga, kahit isang tao lang, gumawa sila ng multiple accounts. I don't know kung ano yung incentives nila. Basta parang nakakuha sila ng money, which is ito, 3 billion. Kahit yung account naman is same lang din naman. I don't know, maybe pwede kayong mag-research about ito. Nakalimutan ko yung story, sorry. So, next is yung problem sa centralized money is mismanagement. So, ito yung nangyari sa Venezuela. Hyperinflation yung nangyari doon. So, basically, yung pera doon is nag-hyperinflate, I think, 200,000% or 2,000% yung inflation. Compare dito sa Pinas, yung inflation rate is 4%. 4% ba yun? Or 1.25, 3.25. So, compare mo doon sa Venezuela, which is 200,000. So, sobra talagang laki. Meaning, hyperinflate talaga yung money nila. Na nangyari is, yung pera nila, let's say, kung gusto mong bumili ng baboy or manok, instead nga, magbibigay ka ng exact amount, yung ginawa nila is, parang kinikilo na lang nila yung pera. Dahil sa sobrang inflate ng money doon. Yun. So, control. Bali, yung central government or central bank or government is basically pwede nilang makontrol yung pera nila. Let's say dito sa Pinas, yung BSP is pwede nilang i-freeze yung account ng isang depositor sa isang bangko. So, yun, yung nangyari dito, or dito sa nangyari sa India is parang tinanggal nila yung 500 or 1,000 and 1,000 rupee banknotes. Basically, ito, for example, dito sa Pinas is yung 500 pesos natin na pera, yung bill, tsaka yung 1,000 is parang inabolish nila. Parang tinanggal sa circulation. Basically, nawala. So, ano yun yung nangyari dito? Parang naging worthless na yung pera nila. Let's say meron kang 500 tsaka 1,000 pesos na on hand. Tapos bigla na lang nag-announce yung BSP na sige, i-abolish namin yung pera nun. So, sa'yo, parang worthless na yung pera nyo. So, yun. Basically, daw yung mga problems na sinolve ng centralized, cryptocurrency. Parang tinanggal niya yung middleman or yung government or yung central bank na nagko-control ng pera. Basically, decentralized, meaning you have your own government. Yan yung reason bakit ginawa yung Bitcoin. Yung Bitcoin is yung first ever cryptocurrency invented by Satoshi Nakamoto. Ito si Satoshi Nakamoto is pseudonym lang to. It's either a person or a group. Walang nakakakilala sa kanya. So ito talaga yung white paper. Pwede niyo to ma-search sa Google. Search niyo lang Bitcoin white paper. Kumbaga dito niya in-explain yung reason bakit ginawa niyo yung Bitcoin. Paano yung process. Kung gusto niyo malaman about blockchain, yung mining, dito niya in-explain yung mathematical equations. So hindi na tayo magdi-discuss dito. So, kasi medyo matagal na tong discussion. So, yun. Yung decentralized, peer-to-peer, kanina. So, live. Ano yun? So, explain natin lang. Medyo madali lang. So, traditional money transaction is money goes through a middleman. So, yun. So, si Maki, isasend akong money kay Maki. So, pag send ko ng money, so dadaan muna siya sa middleman, basically yung bank or GCash or Paymaya, Visa, Mastercard, Palawan, Western Union. So kailangan muna ng consent from the middleman before siya i-send doon kay Maki, which is dito naman sa Bitcoin transaction or sa cryptocurrency is direct sa receiver. Bale, no need for any entity, government, central bank, or kahit ano, may middleman. So, uses peer-to-peer technology. Basically, peer-to-peer, kumbaga, person to person. So, P2P transaction are without middleman. So, centralized or versus decentralized. So, centralized solution is only the bank has the ledger of all the transaction. Kumbaga, lahat ng record is yung bank lang yung nakahawak. Only the bank can view the transaction. Basically, lahat ng transaction ng mga tao, kumbaga yung central bank lang yung nakakakita. Unlike dito sa decentralized solution, decentralized nga currency is everyone can view the ledger and transaction. So, everyone can view the ledger and transaction. Itong transparency dito is pwede nyo makita pwede na ma-search sa Google actually. Search na lang is Bitcoin transactions ledger. Mga top results doon is doon makikita nyo yung real time ng mga transactions. For example, dito pwede tayong mag-try. Sorry. Blockchain while nag-open ako ng website, baka may tanong kayo so far. Bitcoin transactions. Actually, pwede nyo makita lahat. Parang transparency lang talaga to. So, Bitcoin Explorer. So, dito makikita nyo lahat ng real time kung ano yung trade. So, ito nakikita dito is yung latest transaction. So, ito is yung sa Bitcoin. Actually, marami dito is yung Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or DeFi. Actually, lahat ng mga blockchain network. So, yung Bitcoin kasi, sorry, yung Bitcoin kasi is parang isang network lang siya. Same yung Ethereum, different network sila. So, dito makikita mo rin yung transaction real time. By the way, nakikita pa yung nasi-share screen ko?
Yeah.
Sige. Thank you. So, dito, kung nakikita nyo is yung latest transaction. So, the most recent published ang confirmed transaction. Basically, ito, yung hash, kumbaga ito yung unique transaction code. Kumbaga sa Palawan, ito yung ZAW number, yun. Tapos ito, yung time. Tapos ito, makikita nyo dito yung amount. Tapos, yung amount in terms of US dollars. So, dito, if once, I think, kung ma-open nyo to, I think makikita dito yung sender tsaka receiver. Tapos, yung sender tsaka receiver is hindi siya kung ano yung pangalan nyo. Let's say, ikaw, ako, Mots, Moises Orejola, hindi to makikita na dito yung pangalan ko. Basically, yung dito is yung address nyo sa Bitcoin. Parang URL in terms sa mga website. Parang unique address sa inyo. So, yun yung nakaganda ng cryptocurrency kasi transparent siya. So, what's the next? So, yun. Bitcoin is yung full control. Basically, yung Bitcoin is the internet of money. So, nabuo yung Bitcoin because of the internet. Yun. So, full control, no middleman, open to all. So, programmable. Kumbaga, yung code niya, basically, yung code ng Bitcoin is open source. Kumbaga, lahat ng programmer, coder, lahat ng may alam sa programming, if pwede nila makita yung code ng Bitcoin para, let's say, kung gusto nilang gumawa ng isang cryptocurrency, pwede nilang i-modify yung code ng Bitcoin para maging bagong cryptocurrency. Let's say yan dito sa Ethereum. So, Bitcoin has a lot of flaws since it is the first of its kind. So, programmers come up with ways to develop the open source code of Bitcoin to address its issues, thus creating different kinds of coins. One well-known cryptocurrency is Ethereum. So, yan po. So, since Bitcoin is parang pioneer siya sa cryptocurrency, so, meron talaga siyang mga issues. So, since yung Bitcoin kasi hindi siya pwedeng ma-modify, yung Bitcoin mismo, hindi yung code. So, yung Bitcoin is meron siyang mga issues like yung scalability, interoperability, I think dun. Sorry. So, itong mga issues is ito yung purpose ng mga programmers, bakit sila gumawa ng other cryptocurrency to address the issues of Bitcoin and other well-known cryptocurrency, just like Ethereum. So, altcoins. Basically, yung altcoins is yung alternative coins. Kumbaga, other than, let's say, yung cryptocurrency, one kind of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. So, since Bitcoin is yung pioneer, bale yung other cryptocurrencies, yung tawag sa kanila is altcoin. Yan po yung origin ng altcoin. So, altcoins is different kinds of altcoins has also different kinds of use cases. Basically, ito yung use case is yung real world application niya. Let's say ito, yung Ethereum, yung first. Ethereum is more on the smart contracts. So, smart contracts, I think hindi ko na to i-discuss. Medyo, it's not complicated, pero gusto ko lang talaga walk through talaga tayo diretso sa Binance. So, ito, next is Binance Coin. So, ito sa Binance, meron po silang exchange token. Ito, bali ito, pwede mo to magamit as, let's say, ito gamitin mo as fee doon sa Binance. So basically, yung by trading kasi is meron silang trading fee. So you can buy Binance Coin as a, kumbaga ito yung gagamitin mo as fee doon sa pagte-trade mo. Actually, yung Binance Coin ngayon is marami siyang functions doon sa kanilang website. So not just for trading fees. So yun. So next is ito, Ripple XRP. So XRP, kumbaga ito yung ito yung preferred ko gamitin if gusto kong mag transfer ng money from the bank. Let's say gusto kong ipunta sa cryptocurrency, kasi yung transaction fee niya is sobrang liit, unlike sa Ethereum or Bitcoin. So yun, next is ADA or Cardano. Yung ADA or Cardano is parang same concept siya sa Ethereum, pero meron siyang parang maliit lang naman na parang difference sa Ethereum. So next it is yung Dogecoin. Kumbaga ginawa yung Dogecoin as a meme, so wala tong real world use case, I mean. Pero ngayon is yung mga nakabili ng Dogecoin is parang nag come up with a solution na yung earnings nila is ipupunta nila sa charity. I think ginawa nila noon sa Africa, which is good. So although ito yung Dogecoin is a meme coin, so merong iba na let's say ngayon is lumaki yung price niya because of Elon Musk. What parang let's say nag-tweet si Elon Musk about Bitcoin, or I mean sa Dogecoin. So yung price ng Dogecoin instantly is parang tumataas. Although siguro sa kanila, siguro sa mga groups nila or sa mga, I think mga kulto parang ganun. So yun, parang naging top coin ito sa in terms of market capitulation, kumbaga total money in Dogecoin. So yun. So next is Polkadot, DOT yung ticker niya. So Polkadot is same as Cardano, same as Ethereum. Wait lang. So yun. Yun po. So next is coin is Litecoin. Basically itong Litecoin, hindi pa ako masyadong well versed dito sa Litecoin, kasi although matagal-tagal na rin to, hindi pa ako naka-trade, hindi rin ako naka-invest dito. So sorry if wala pa akong idea pa dito, pero basically yung Litecoin is medyo matagal na rin siya sa cryptocurrency. So one of the top coins in terms of market cap. So basically ito po yung mga altcoin, one of the ito po one of the top 10, I think top 20 coins based on market cap. Market cap po basically yung ito po yung total cash na naka-invest sa isang coin or token. So actually ito pwede nyo makita yung market cap or yung top 100 cryptocurrency. You can go to pwede check natin dito sa coin market cap, or you can search coingecko.com. So dito CoinGecko, ito dito nyo makikita lahat, hindi naman lahat. So top 100 sa front page nila is yung top 100 cryptocurrency and token based on its market cap. So ito po yung number 1 is yung Bitcoin, which is yung price niya is $57,841. So yung market cap niya is $1 trillion. So sobrang laki talaga. So next is Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, Tether. Ito yung Tether is parang stable coin yung tawag nila dito. Kumbaga if explain lang is USDT is parang converted siya into USD, backed by USD. Kumbaga kung yung $1 niya nga value is hindi siya nagpapalit ng value. Unlike dito sa Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin is yung price niya is lumalaki, bumababa based on the supply and demand. Pero dito sa Tether, USDT is um basically ito yung purpose ng Tether is gusto mong i-convert yung USD or PHP nyo into crypto version, kumbaga. So, yun. So, dito, next is Dogecoin, number 6. So, Cardano, ADA, Polkadot, Uniswap, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Chainlink, USDC. So, USDC is same as Tether. So, VeChain, Stellar, Solana. Actually, ito, sobrang rami dito. Kita nyo. So, let's say, alam nyo yung BitTorrent. So, BitTorrent, meron din silang cryptocurrency. I mean, token. So, BitTorrent. So, BitTorrent is 0.007 dollars. So, maliit siya. Pero in terms of its supply, sobrang laki. So, yun po yung basically lahat top 100 cryptocurrency based on its market cap. So, I think that ends my discussion for the trading. So, we'll proceed to walk through sa